Hello. Right now, I would like to introduce one of my project. I call it Shortest Path. So this project it's developed by myself in order to understanding more detail, more clearly about Dijkstra algorithm. So I want to understand more about how the algorithm could find the shortest path, how the Google Maps actually works. So that's why I built this application. So let me demonstrate. I think it's only a simple application and I built this. Let me introduce. I actually built this using React JS, Next.js. Yes, it's just something like I using a Dijkstra algorithm. I create a node as a grid or a node for the graph to do the algorithm, to run the algorithm with this graph, and I just visualize it with the characteristic of JavaScript with event listener and set timeout, something kind of like that things. And also yeah, the main point I think only it's how I use Dijkstra, and I also implement the bi-directional Dijkstra or two ways Dijkstra to run this to see which one it's better. And of course it's two ways Dijkstra is better, but I just want to see how actually JavaScript, how actually my brain could visualize the algorithm. This proved my understanding to this algorithm, and also the Hippify, the Dijkstra problem using a object or dictionary to do a priority queue. When the Hippify, it's the concept of priority queue when the small point or the small distance it's run first, or you can say that like a vivo first in first out. Yeah, something like that. So let's demonstrate this. First of all, we're gonna use the extra. Let's say I have a source or my first distance, my first location is here, and my target or the place that I want to go is here. And also the numbers at every node here, it's represent the weight. So the distance or the cost to go there, how much the cost to go one node to through past one node. Okay, and then I have this one as a as a path that it couldn't pass through it. So this is the path when like the building or the restaurants or something. I imagine that something like that. So the algorithm should not pass this path. Right? That when I click this button, yes, as you can see it here, it's find the shortest path to go from here to here, from my source, from my destination, from my first point to the destination or the target. Yes, let's refresh it, and we see another. Oops, there's an error. I don't know, but yeah. So let's see another example with bidirectional when there's a two ways algorithm that running in the source and in the target. Let's see it, something like that. And I don't use any block. I don't use any obstacle yet. Let's try to run this. Yeah, as you can see here, it's run 2 times bidirectional. And yes, it's finished. And of course, it's faster than the One Direction. Let's try again. Right now, I would like to use the obstacle. Oops. Let's try again. Let's see here and here. I also, let me use it here. I think the UI still have a problem. I will fix it later, but at least the algorithm is working. Right. Now let's run it. And then it finds the shortest path. Yes, so this is what I've done. I've developed this algorithm to visualize my insight about Dijkstra algorithm. So yes, thank you very much.